guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. Not at the unit today, going to a local car meeting up in Milwaukee with another new car group, and we all seem like a genuine bunch, so I thought I'd nip down, have a look, see what's going on with it. I only have one battery, so hopefully I can get as much footage as I can. You early as well? Hey? You early as well?
About 6 I got here.
We've got to say there's no one here yet. They must be cruising slow from Bangor.
Trying to smile, but the air is so heavy and dry. It's a cruel
That's quite fun. Apparently we're all going to Next now. God knows what to do. Probably just chill out and just chat crap. Doing this whilst it's not 100% warm. Tell you what though, I'm doing on this car. I think on full boost she's kind of dispelling a bit of water, because we're seeing a bit of water on the inside of the bonnet, which I think is going to be down to the pipes, and there needs to be another Jubilee clip on it, because I've only got the clip pipe connectors. I've only got them on it at the moment, and I need to put Jubilee clips on it. So there is that. So yeah. I found the issue. The gear linkage. There's like a little metal plate that holds the cable in place, and that has come off. How? I don't know. I think because it was really tight, so I think just over time been stressing it. So I think I only got 3 gears. The cable tie on there for now. I've got 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Reverse, 1st and 2nd are gone. Let's get the other mount and put it on. Right, problem solved. Right guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for joining us, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Well, don't do any, it's up to you, but just join us for the ride. And I'll see you in the next episode. Yeah, take it easy guys. See ya.